Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I want to show you how you can discover how much you are spending on each piece of equipment via work orders. So if I go over here to reports, and you can see this information down below here, but if you want to see a specific date range, you can look at specific years here if you want to also. But if you want to look at a specific date range, you go up here to reports, you go to more reports, choose work orders, scroll down to where it says work orders total costs by equipment number, and here you can choose a date range and a specific piece of equipment, or you can just do not choose any criteria and just click preview. It'll show you all equipment for the entire lifespan that you've been putting stuff into TATEMS. So we click on preview here, and we can see here that it shows the equipment number, the number of work orders performed, and the total cost or the total amount spent on that piece of equipment over the lifetime. And if we go to the end of the report, we can see here the total amount spent for the entire fleet for the lifetime that you've been entering stuff into TATEMS. And also, if you were to just choose a date range, so you could just see how much you spent in the last month, for example. And this database is a few months old, so I'm just going to go 01-01-2019 through 01-31-2019. And we're not going to choose an equipment, we'll just click preview because I'm not sure which equipment has stuff in that range. So now we can see everything, we can see how much we spent for the entire month on the fleet, and it just shows us the number of work orders. And then down here we can see our grand total for amount spent for the entire fleet for that month. So then if you wanted to narrow it down further, we could look at just specific equipment, like for example, if we wanted to just look at T0064. So if I go over here to T0064, this one here, and put T0064 as the from and the to on the equipment. So we're just going to look at that piece of equipment, click on preview, and that just shows us that one piece of equipment, and it shows us up here at the top the date range for the criteria and the equipment number we've selected, and then our grand total for that equipment for that criteria. All right, hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching. Take care.